Get ready to be amazed. Sloths have a need for speed when they sneeze. That's right, these slow-moving tree huggers might seem like they're always in slow-mo, but when they finally take a big breath out, hold on to your hats. A sloth sneeze can unleash a powerful gust, sending tiny green algae living on their fur flying like nature's confetti. Imagine that. A sloth, the very symbol of chill, turning into a high-speed sneeze machine. It's like nature's way of saying, expect the unexpected. So next time you're feeling a bit slow, just remember, even the laziest creatures can have their moments of high-velocity excitement. Keep being curious, and keep having fun. Sloth sneezes, faster than your Wi-Fi on a good day.